Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to fix Tinder can delete account problem. So let's start. First, let's go to Tinder. I'm in my Tinder account, and then let's go to settings. You will find in the right part. So just press there, and then let's scroll down. If you can check at the end says select account, but in the case that you don't have this option, let's go to the part where it says help and support. Just click there, let's wait, and then let's search here and write refund. Okay, so here you find refund requests, refund services, refund in Asia, charge. So let's go to the first option, refund request, and then let's go to this form. Okay, let's click there. Let's wait. And here, what can I will help you with? Let's change and let's patrol with my account login. And then what is going on? And let's press I can delete my account. Okay. So here is the email address, your phone number, and then just in description write your problem. So if the problem that you have it's very detailed, it's better for Tinder support. So just write I want to delete my account, but I can't do it. Okay, now that you have it, just if you want add a file, you can do it or not, and then just submit. In this case, the Tinder support will contact you in 24 hours for getting supporting about this trouble. Well guys, I hope it worked for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.